This ACDelco brand has been around well over 100 years, and its name has become synonymous with quality and reliability. ACDelco power tools are built for people who make a living with their tools, day in and day out, and require exceptional sturdiness and reliability. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact design. Our lightweight, powerful 65 feet-pounds torque ratchet wrench is engineered with high-quality materials for fast and easy removal work. Equipped with a 3/8 inches alloy steelhead and built-in lead light grate for working in tight and dark spaces, making it a perfect tool for construction, auto, and even home repair work. Number 2. Ultra efficiency. Our advanced brushless motor is highly efficient, with a longer lifespan, and requires less maintenance. It has no carbon brush, sparking, heat generating, and commutator worn-out problems. Thus, it can last 50% longer than a standard motor. Number 3. User-friendly. Ergonomic soft grip design provides comfort for long working hours and a secure grip for maximum control and steadiness. Slim body design molded to securely fit and balance hand torque up to 100 feet-pounds, with a built-in convenient safety lock switch. Number 4. Bare tool only. This is only a bare tool, a power tool that comes without a battery, a charger, or a blow mold case. The battery and charger can be purchased separately. Number 5. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. For over 35 years, we have been manufacturing and providing the best products and services to our customers at the lowest prices possible. We are confident that you will love the ratchet wrench, that we will stand behind our product with a replacement or your money back. Every purchase comes with a manufacturer's limited 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is the battery charger support 100 to 240 volts input power? Answer: yes. Charger support 100 to 240 volts AC. Question number 2. Does it come with a battery and charger? Answer: the battery and charger are included. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.